Hello, my name is Rebecca and welcome to this beginner course on learning English using comprehensible input. If you do this course, you will master the basic skills in English. You will be able to introduce yourself, talk about numbers, colours, the time, the weather, the most common verbs to be and to have, use present simple, present continuous, past, past continuous, future, and conditional verb tense. Now, if you would like to learn using comprehensible input, then this is the course for you. Most courses teach grammar directly. This is going to teach you indirectly in a natural and fun way. So if you learn best using comprehensible input, then do this course with me. I am so excited for you to see it. Now this is just to master the basics. If you have already been learning English, but you want to boost your English, your basic English skills, then this course is for you. This course will include videos and it will include written comments, so you will be able to test yourself as well. I am going to speak slowly and clearly, and I am going to use visuals and gestures to help you understand English. You are going to learn the language naturally, so let's get started. Her flowers are pink, pink. His hat and jacket is grey, grey. Yellow, yellow. What colour is this sheep? Blue. Now we are going to look at time. I eat breakfast at 8:30. 8:30. Being able to talk about the weather is very important. What's the weather today? It is foggy, foggy. It is cloudy. How is the weather today? It is rainy or I am talking. I am smiling. I am brushing my hair. He has a hat. She has a dress. I write. You write. He writes. She writes. We write. They write. I sleep. You sleep. I drink water. I eat yogurt. I close the fridge. Regular, you just add ed. For example, I walked. To walk, I walked, add ed. I danced, you add ed. I will be happy. I will open this card. notebook, notebook. Computer, pillow. Sofa, picture, picture. Wall, microwave, oven. Salmon, 2 salmon. Bananas, bananas. Thank you, goodbye.